Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a plaster of Paris mold after making a clay statue. First, I marked the sides of the statue and divided it into two equal parts. Now I place the statue on a flat place and place the statue parallel to the ground by placing soil on the floor of the statue. I will make an earthen base around the statue, evenly along the line of the statue. I will flatten the surface of the base. If necessary, I will use my fingers or brush. I will cut a long flat piece of clay and surround it around the statue so that liquid plaster does not come out. This time I will take a pot and put some plaster of Paris in it and mix it well with water. Now I will pour the liquid plaster of Paris over the statue. I will sprinkle it loudly with my fingers so that the Paris enters the small pores. This time I will take more plaster of Paris and mix it with water a little harder and cover the statue. Now I will mix some jute fibers with the plaster of parish and put it on the statue. This will strengthen the mold. I will keep the idol for a while, and when it gets a little hard, I will open the surrounding wall. I will flatten the rough parts on sides with little water in hand. I will lift the statue and remove the soil behind the statue. This time I will make a mixture of soil and water and brush it along the edges of the mold. As a result, the front mold will not be attached to the rear mold. To make the backside mold, I will make a clay wall as before and make a mixture of water and plaster of parish and use the same process to make the rear mold. When the mold is made, we will take out the statue through the open part at the bottom of the mold by using a knife.